Hi everyone, how you doing? It's raining, but then it is raining season, so never mind. I've come to have fish and chips. Now, this is new on the menu in the place where I am. And I'll tell you why. They're doing homemade chips. Cheers. So I've come to try them out. I'm here at Bentley's in Pattaya, Soy 5. Been here many times before, but this is new on the menu, and I do like my fish and chips. And if you're going to have fish and chips, you can't have the chips frozen. They've got to be freshly cut, fried. That's the way to have fish and chips. So that's why I'm here. Nice cup of tea with fish and chips. It's funny how you drink different things, isn't it, with different foods. Like I always say, coffee should be drunk on its own, I think. But a cup of tea with food, and fish and chips goes nicely with a cup of tea. Well, that looks all right. I must say, got curry sauce, mushy peas, and then chips look great. And bread and butter, all important bread and butter. You've got to have a chip batty. You've got to have a chip batty with fish and chips. That's a great cup of tea as well. PG chips, by the way. Try one of these chips. Well, nice change for that crispy outer. Oh, look at that consistency as well. I'll tell you what, think of the best chip shop curry sauce you've ever had. Got that in your head? That's what that tastes like. That is spot on. Okay, that tastes great. But I would probably say just a little bit more moisture. That tastes good. Nice crisp batter going on. Wow. That fish is, I'll tell you what, I'm going to have a little bit of this homemade horseradish. Oh, look at that. Guys, I swear to you, I'm not sponsored by this sports bar, Bentley's. Don't get paid, don't get it free. It's my honest review. Trust me. That is off the charts. I keep saying it, this is for a pub to knock out food like this. It's incredible. Right, now I'm going to make a chip butty. I'm going to chuck some vinegar on the fish, a bit of ketchup maybe. I'm going to dive in, absolutely indulge myself in this amazing fish and chips. Best I've had. Best I've had in Thailand, hands down. Get that on there. Bit on the chips. Heinz ketchup, by the way. That can go on the side. Although that curry sauce is amazing. Right, I'm going to butter this bread and get the chip butty going. I love that you get a little butter knife as well. It's the little things, isn't it? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Bit of ketchup. I think we'll chuck one more in the back there. Hello. Curry sauces. Wow, do you know, guys, that is probably one of the best chip shop curry sauces I've ever had. I'm just going to sum it up now because I just want to dive in and enjoy it. That is off the charts. Right, the tiniest niggle. Mushy peas are great, but maybe a bit more moisture, but that's nothing. You've got homemade chips that are browned lovely with that crispy outer. The fish is amazing, the batter is amazing, the curry sauce is another level. Absolutely off the charts. I'm going to eat that with my hands. Food that makes you smile. Okay, well, I've just come to the front. It's still raining, by the way. Just is a bit more light, that's all. But guys, what can I say about that fish and chips? That was amazing. I've been here before, and I'm going to get some comments saying I go there all the time, and all you keep saying is how good the food is. Well, I'm sorry, guys, but it is. If you don't believe me, come and try it for yourself. It's, honestly, I'll do honest reviews every single time. And I was honest about the mushy peas. Spoke to the owner, John, and he said, yeah, I know, we should get them a bit more moist. So, little niggle, he took it on board, absolutely fine. But the fish and chips, the homemade tartar sauce, the curry sauce, guys, it was off the charts. What can I say? I hope you enjoyed this one as much as I did. But thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you do get value from these videos, give us a thumbs up. If you don't, it's fine. But for now, love to Luke, Mia, Mum and Sis, and I'll see you on the next one. It's still raining. I might have to stay for a couple of beers. Or 3.